Hello friends and welcome back to our channel. Is your iPhone struggling to connect to Wi-Fi? Don't worry, let's troubleshoot and get you back online in no time. Here we go. First step is to toggle the Wi-Fi on and off. Go to the settings app, then you go to Wi-Fi and toggle it off. Wait a few seconds, then you turn it back on. Next step is to forget the network and reconnect. Stay in the setting, then Wi-Fi. Tap the info icon, that is I, next to your network, then select forget network. Next, you reconnect by entering your password. The next step is to restart your iPhone. Turn your iPhone off and back on to refresh its connection to Wi-Fi network. You should also restart your router. Power off the Wi-Fi router for about 30 seconds, then turn it back on. Next, you check your airplane mode. Open the control center and ensure your airplane mode is off. Next step is to reset network settings. Go to settings, then general, then reset, then you reset network settings. Enter your passcode and confirm. You should also update your iOS. Go to settings, then general, then you go to software update to ensure your iPhone has the latest software. You can also test with other devices. Check if the Wi-Fi works on other devices. If not, the issue may be with your router. If the issue persists, your provider might need to help you. And there you have it, quick fixes for your Wi-Fi issue on your iPhone. If this helped, please like the video and subscribe for more tech tips. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you next time. Bye bye.